Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Jackie here again. Tune in to Jackie. It's Jackie. Welcome guys to the channel. I'm back out on my walking again. I've got this umbrella here for the sun because it's very hot right now here in Cleveland, Ohio. So guys, just bear with me a little bit with this umbrella, and I'm going to be recording for not too long time guys, because it's extremely hot. I'm here in the walking trail, Brookside Reservation in Cleveland, Ohio, and you know how I feel about my walking. You have to walk every day, exercise, and keep your body fit, guys. Exercise is free. Walking is a free thing. Thank God that we can move our legs and we can walk. So I'm taking advantage of it, guys. Yes, guys. I'm out walking. I love to walk. This is the outfit of the day. I don't know if you guys can see what I'm wearing. I'm recording from my iPhone, so you probably can't see everything, but I'm doing the best that I can with this. Anyways, guys, I'm here walking, taking my exercise as usual. Every day when I can, I try to exercise as much as I can. Keep me walk, keep me healthy, keep me fit. Yep. Instead of sitting down watching TV, I'm out walking. And I would recommend walking to anyone. Walking is free. Walking is vital for the health. Walking is important. I'm on the trail right here, guys. And on this trail, people will have their dogs. Mostly dogs. If you come in the evenings, you'll see a lot of people walking their dogs. You will see people jogging, riding their bikes. You'll see people skating. Not too much of the skating. At the other park, they mostly do the skating, but here people mostly walk and jog here at this park. So yes, this is Brookside Reservation. And me and my husband, we like to do a lot of walking. So here's my husband. Say hi to everyone.
Hello, everyone.
Hold this for me. Hold the umbrella for me. Thank you. So I can get my shirt up.
You just buckle her up.
Yeah, that's what I... You want to do it for me? No, just do it. I'll hold the camera. Okay. Hold that right there. And hold the umbrella. Okay, see? Another lady, she's jogging with her daughter in the stroller. Hold on, guys, I gotta be zipping up my jacket here. It's windy also. Also, it's very hot and windy. Hold on, Papa, hold the camera. Right, guys, just a minute, guys. Even though it's hot and windy, I still have to put up my jacket here. Yes. All right, guys, it's me again. Gonna be doing about a 45 minutes walk, but the video will not be 45 minutes long. So yes, guys, it's very windy. Woo, it's windy. It's windy. It's windy and it's blowing out my hair. Okay, guys, yes, and it's also very hot and windy. That's how I would describe this. Hot and windy. Yes, guys. Okay, all right, anyways, let me get back here, down to here. I love to go walking because when I walk, it clears my mind. I'm not worried about any bills. I'm not worried about anything. I just walk, taking the scenery, taking the greenery. Here is very green, guys. It's a very green park. Let's see if I can show. Behind, you can see how green it is behind. The umbrella is in the way, but it's a lot of greenery here. There's a lot of trees like this one, but the umbrella is covering everything. This is so hot here. Yes, so this park here is located in Cleveland, Ohio. Okay, guys, and now that it's hot like this, you will not see a lot of people here in the daytime like this, but in the evening time, people come after work. You'll see a lot of people jogging, or the regulars mostly come in the mornings or the afternoon. People that's been coming here like for years, they'll come like mostly in the morning time. You'll see them. And like the people that goes to work, that has full-time job, that can't get off like in the daytime to come and walk, you'll see them in the evenings. And some people just don't like the sun, so they wait until when it cools down, then they'll come. So now this is a shady section here. We take off the umbrella for a little bit because the umbrella is covering the beauty of the park. But I just can't help it today, guys. It's so hot. So I have to put this umbrella over. It's extremely hot here. In this part here, there's normally a lot of deers in the park. There is wildcats in the park. Not wildcats like, you know, those dangerous cats. I'm not talking about those. I'm talking about sometimes people will have their pets at home, and when they get tired, they throw them, they bring them here and they leave them. So every now and then you'll see a few of them up in the bushes catching rats. And then you'll have a few coyotes, lots of rabbits here. Certain time you'll see a lot of the rabbits. You'll see a lot of rabbits here a certain time. And you have groundhogs. You've got opossums here. You've got squirrels here. Let's see, no bears here, no black bears or anything like that. Have not been spotted. This is connected to the zoo. It's close to the zoo. On the other side is the Cleveland Zoo. So, yes, guys, in this section here, you walk and you'll see turtles. Like when there's a lot of rain, you'll see the turtles come from out of the pond. There's a big pond over on that side, but you can't see it right now. I would have to go over there and show you. There's a big pond there, and there's a section across there where there's a lot of water that runs down. Ooh, it's windy. It is windy, 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 windy. Look at the trees. It's windy. Yes, guys, but you know, you can just come here and, you know, do your exercise, do your little walking and stuff. Ooh, this thing is making me look crazy. So windy. Yep, it's very green in this park. Very, very green. So yep, across there is the freeway. If I turn behind, you can see the freeway behind, but the umbrella is covering up everything. This is crazy. It's windy. Very windy. Okay, anyways, guys, I'm going to end the video here because it's so windy and I can't get to show you guys a lot of what's going on in the park. So I will do this another time, guys. In the meantime, I hope you enjoy this short video of the Cleveland Metro Park Brookside Reservation. Okay, guys, like and subscribe, and I will be back again to show you more. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.